piece of cake.
Compared to that dead woman.
Yeah. To the Rainbow Mountain, one of the most beauty of Cusco City, but right now we stop in this town, a small town of Checacupe, that is one of the districts of province of Canchis and department of Cusco. In this place we stop to see one beautiful recreations about the Incan bridge, about one suspension bridge that they made, you know, with grass. In the lower part we have that beautiful bridge. Beside that we have another one. It's the colonial one. When the Spaniards come here, they started to build colonial bridges in the 17th century with arch, with the stone, you know. But the other beautiful one is to compare how Incas built those bridges over the river. Started to hike to the Rainbow Mountain, but in this time I come in now from Pitumarca, from that way. But we arrived with a car to the beginning of the hike. That place is over there. Look at the lower part of the cars. But to hike from that place to the Rainbow Mountain is over there. Look at it. It's not so far away coming through this way, you know, from Pitumarca or through Pitumarca way to here. But now we walk just around maybe 15 minutes or 1 hour from the beginning of the hike to the Rainbow Mountain. Well, my friend, we are near of the Rainbow Mountain. We are in the lower part. Look at this is the color of this beautiful mountain in the Vilcabamba range. Well, we almost there. We walk like maybe 10 more minutes up to the lookout. Hold on. Hold on. You made it, you made it. It was a piece of cake. How you experience here in this beautiful mountain?
The Rainbow Mountain was spectacular. More than I could have expected. I had seen so many pictures online and I was thinking, okay, so it's photoshopped, but it is so much prettier than you would have imagined. And coming up, all the people from the area in their native attire, just so charming and warm to the heart, and the llamas and the children, the mountains and the glaciers. It's a beautiful
One thing I would suggest, take your time going up. It's very high altitude, very easy to get out of breath.
Yeah.
Take a few days to acclimate. If it's your first day in Cusco, don't hike Rainbow Mountain day one. Also, leaving Rainbow Mountain, we have the Red Valley. Don't skip out on that. Rainbow Mountain is a bit more touristy, so get there early in the morning And then don't forget to head over to the Red Valley because most people are too tired to head over.
Yeah.
So, and you have to go with Alfredo because Alfredo is the best tour guide around. So I highly recommend it.
This is the famous Red Valley near Rainbow Mountain. So beautiful, spectacular view. Look at the formation of this mountain right there. So really, really nice. Okay, guys, how is your experience here in the Rainbow Mountain hike?
Incredible.
Amazing.
Literally takes your breath away, but it's so amazing. We're at 5,000 meters here at the Montaña Roja, the Red Mountain, and the Red Valley.
You'll never see
Yeah.
anything else like it, ever.
Oh my gosh.
Ever. It's gorgeous.
Oh my gosh, we got up this morning. Alfredo picked us up.
Yes,
Private
Alfredo's
tour.
a man for sure. Yes.
Private tour guide Cusco.
Yeah.
Oh my gosh.
Private guide Cusco. Come, you'll love it. You'll thank the heavens. You'll thank yourself because your body and your lungs brought you here.
Yeah.
It's a beautiful feeling. It really is.
The view is amazing.
Recommend us, eh? We are now in the Red Mountain or Red Valley, you know. It's so really nice experience, you know.
Oh yes.
Beautiful.
Breathtaking.
And this was the second part.
Yeah.
Because we went to the Rainbow Mountain, but you know what was recommended is we actually come back this way, which was the best part.
It's the best, yeah. It's the best.
I mean, Rainbow Mountain is amazing with the beautiful, snow-capped mountains behind. Oh, it's such a great hike. But then to finish this way, practically by ourselves is amazing.
Yeah. There's nothing else like it.
Come.
Thank you so much.